Understanding the phrase, tipsy. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English phrases, and we'll be exploring the term, tipsy. It's a fun word, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. Tipsy is an adjective in English. It describes a person who has consumed alcohol and is slightly affected by it, but not seriously intoxicated. Think of it as being just a little bit drunk. It's somewhere between being sober and being drunk. For instance, after 2 glasses of wine, she felt a bit tipsy. He's not drunk, just a tad tipsy. The word tipsy has been in use since the late 1500s. Its origin is somewhat unclear, but it's believed to be derived from the word tip, which historically meant to overbalance or to upset. So, when someone is tipsy, they might be slightly off balance, metaphorically speaking, because of the alcohol. Let's look at some examples to understand its use better. 1. After the party, Sarah was feeling a little tipsy and decided to take a cab home. 2. You seem quite cheerful and giggly. Are you tipsy? John asked. 3. It's important not to drive if you're even a bit tipsy. Understanding synonyms can help enrich your vocabulary. Some synonyms for tipsy include slightly drunk, woozy, buzzed, lightheaded. However, remember that context is crucial, and not all synonyms can be used interchangeably in all situations. So there you have it. The next time you come across the word tipsy, or want to use it in a conversation, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it effectively. Remember, English is full of colorful terms and expressions, and tipsy is just one of them. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.